Hey guys, welcome to the video. So you clicked on this video because you've seen obviously the title on the thumbnail and you want to know how much money I made in a week clipping for streamers and using logo campaigns and utilizing them to make money. Before I get into the video anymore, this is a little bit different than WOP Content Rewards, guys. So in WOP Content Rewards, you get paid for clipping mostly personal brand people and small businesses and software companies. Clipping on Discord, you can clip for streamers and everything else like that. I'm sure you guys seen the stake logo. I'm sure you guys seen RainRot and a load of other logos you guys keep seeing on the internet on meme pages and streamer clip pages. Well, a lot of that stuff is me, not solely, but I bring in 50 to 100 million views a month off that kind of stuff. So if you guys are interested in learning, you can join my Discord down below. And that's not a funnel to anything, guys. It's completely free and there's a free guide in there. But without further ado, guys, I'm just going to show you how much money I actually made posting for an entire week consistently and how much money you guys can make doing this exact same thing. Okay, guys, so now we're on the desktop. I'm going to show you guys basically the account and the examples that I was talking about before. I'm going to go over how many posts I did a day, what type of content it was, as you guys can see here on the screen, and how this did well. So guys, this was when Streamer University was going on, which is a big event hosted by Kai Sanat, if you were unsure what it was. And so these are the posts I did every single day. So as we can see here, from this point here, I was just basically posting random BrainRot videos, as you do with clipping. You'll notice, guys, there is not a logo on these videos, as I was just pending to get into a lot of these campaigns, as you have to wait a little while to be able to get into campaigns where you can put logos on videos and start getting paid for it. So in the meantime, I was posting anyway just to warm up the account. Now, as I was saying, guys, this account has not been posted on in a long time. That is the reason I put fresh account, because obviously the longer an account is not posted, the more it's going to be out of the algorithm. If you know social media, you know how it works. You can't just take a big break, come back into posting, get a load of views straight away, as you guys will see here. So from the videos we posted here, this chunk here was 1 day. So we're going to end up counting this up right now. Okay, guys, so we can see here on day one, we gained 190,000 views over 10 posts, and it's gained us $30. Bear in mind, guys, we're literally just posting clips on our phone, and you can do this from anywhere across the world and wherever you are. And realistically, guys, most minimum wage jobs are, especially in the UK, I can't speak for the US, when you're 16 to 18 years old, do genuinely pay around about $45, $50 a day for 6 hours of work. So considering all you're doing is posting clips and you're making $30 in a day, that is not bad, guys. So now we're going to get into the second day, and this one is pretty good. Okay, guys, so now we're on to the second block, which is where I did get monetized by the state logo. These are only just 5 posts that were posted over 1 day. So if we're going to add this all up, this is roughly around about 70,000 views. Now, guys, we're going to go back to our board. I'm going to type down how much we would have been paid for the 70,000 views that these videos got here in a 24-hour period. Okay, guys, so now we're on day 2. So day 2 made us a total of $12, okay, as you guys have seen from the 70,000 views we gained, which is nothing crazy. Okay, guys, so here we are on the third day. So now you can see here the 5 posts here that we've done over the course of a day. That's 4,000 views, 5,000, but then we've got one here which is 250,000 views, guys. So over this entire day here, we've done about 280,000 views. Okay, guys, so here we are on day 3. Now you can see here from the 290,000 views we gained, we have made about $55. Okay, guys, now that again, guys, in itself is not bad at all in my opinion. Now we're going to get into day 4 and we're going to figure out how much we made then. Okay, guys, so in day 4 you can see here, so we got 5k views, 12k, and this entire row here. Now, okay, this day was a little bit ass, guys. That, as you can see, we've probably got about 30,000 views, so we'll see how much money we've made. Okay, guys, now you can see day 4. Now this is significantly less, and this is a little bit ass, guys. $5 in the day, that is not great at all, but again, it's better than nothing. And again, guys, we're just posting clips, but let's just get into day 5 and see where that ends the week off at. Okay, guys, so for day 5, this is the last day. So as you can see here, a video here got 463,000 views, and all of these here are also on the last day. So the last day we ended off around about 600,000 views, which we're going to find out how much we earned now. Okay, guys, so moving on to day 5 right here, we got 620,000 views, made us around about $90. So over the course of the week, guys, as you can see, we've made around about $150, which again, guys, for posting clips on your phone is absolutely brilliant. And a beginner and a starter can get doing this literally straight away. I have a full guide down in my Discord below that teaches you guys absolutely everything you'd need to know to get started in clipping, and it's completely free, guys. There's no funnel or anything. I'm not trying to sell you anything, so make sure to join that down below if you guys enjoyed the video.